Oh yeah, what's up, guys? Long time no see. I actually, it's weird because I actually missed you guys. So, the reason I don't know if you saw the channel update. The reason you haven't been seeing any videos from me was because, I had decided to go out and focus on my own platform. I'm trying to get everything done so that I can have my own app and website where you guys can consume all my content, my courses, my YouTube videos. In the future, I want to have a podcast. I also want to have a very active blog. And, I've done podcasts before, and, I never been committed to a blog, but I would really like to do a blog, and like all this different content that I want to get out for you guys. I want to bring the YouTube videos up to the next level. I want more courses out there, and on top of everything, I want it to all be super affordable for you guys, coming in at a real competitive monthly subscription for you guys. And so that's what I've been working on. I went dark from like Wednesday night of last week, which was the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, all the way till today, which is December 1st. And, that was like, I had like a week of work to do. And, what I kind of saw myself doing was working, not so much on Thursday because that's Thanksgiving here in the U.S. But on Friday, I was planning on working from Friday to Wednesday, like 12-hour days. That's what I was like kind of planning. So that's like 6 days. I was planning on working around like 72 hours, something like that. And more realistically, that didn't happen. I probably put in about 35 to 40 hours. Unfortunately, I was working about approximately 8 hours a day. And the reason for that was because I was spending time with the family. Honestly, I had time off from work, from my full-time job, and waking up next to my wife and my baby, like right there in the same bed. It was really nice. And then my entire family, both of my boys and my wife, we got to spend time together. So that was really nice. So I didn't get to spend as much time as I thought I was going to on the platform. But I did make some pretty good progress. And I apologize for that. I said that I was going to have the app done by December 1st, and that's today, and I don't have it. But, I think I made some pretty good progress, and I'm pretty happy with that progress, all things considered. So let's take a look at what I did get accomplished within that time, just so that you guys could kind of get a feeling for it. So as you can see right here, we have, my app running on a SE. That's just for, resolution purposes. But yeah, anyway, as you can see right here, this is like the sign up portion. This is the sign in portion. And then when you go, I haven't implemented any APIs yet, but when you go in, this would be the home page. I got the collection views going on right here. These will be like big cards of like something special. All of them say most popular. That's just, dummy data, as you can see. But these would be like big cards, like, maybe my course goes here, maybe like like most popular. So it'd be like, these are the 3 most popular YouTube videos or 3 most popular courses. This might be like, I don't know, top fan, or no, that would be like most recent, right? So this would be like most recent. It'd be something like that in here, right? And then the next one would be something different, and then the next one would be something different. So I got all this stuff like implemented. This was kind of already like, this UI piece was kind of already done before I started, but I got everything connected. So like when you click on something, it actually goes somewhere. And as you can see, this is going to be kind of the layout. It's similar to the way that YouTube lays it out. The icons are kind of ugly because I made them, but I tried. And if you like actually press on it, if you tap on it, like it will play a video. This is just dummy data once again. So as you can see here, it will just play in a AV player controller. If you go to the comments, there will be comments in here, and all the comments will be in here, and you could talk in here and all this other stuff. So like, yeah, the keyboard, oh, I didn't fix the keyboard on this specific page, but yeah, the keyboard would pop up kind of like Instagram and stuff like that. Same thing from here. So it's going to take you to the same dummy page, but if you were to click view, it would just immediately play that specific video. If I got it to work. Oh, this is a YouTube video, so I'm working on playing the YouTube videos. It's a little bit harder than it looks, but yeah, got that working. I got my services working. So the UI for this page I feel is kind of done. Icons kind of suck, I know, but I tried. And each of these are going to be forms. These ones haven't been implemented, but the mentoring has. So when you click on mentoring, you'll get to go through and, you'll be able to select different ones. And then it goes to the next question, and it just keeps going to the next and next and next question. And then after that, you're going to get a summary. You get to see everything that you answered, and then you submit. It's going to have chat. So this one, I did fix the keyboard thing too. So it sits up there and everything like that. So yeah, and then you press send and it would be done and things like that. And then lastly, profile. So you got the profile, and yeah, it's going to look something like that. I haven't implemented the viewing from here though. Also, you can compose a chat. It's going to look something like that. You can go in there, so on and so forth. So I got a lot. I feel like I got like a lot of things done. This is going to be search, I feel like I got like a pretty good amount done for only having spent like 35 to 40 hours, but I thought I was going to be able to accomplish everything. But I'm pretty happy with the end result. I just got to hook up the APIs and it's almost ready to go. So I have to hook up the APIs. That's one thing. And then I have to implement Stripe payments into here. So that's the other thing for the iOS side. Now for the website, let's take a look at the website because I wanted to get a website going too. And having all this back end stuff was kind of what was slowing me down, to be honest. So, this is what the website looks like so far. It's going to look something like this. I'm not really good at choosing a good page, like formal, like something that looks sexy. I'm not good at UI, guys, but I got this up and running with Vapor and Bootstrap. And this is essentially what it's going to look like. As you can see, the card title hasn't been filled in or anything like that. But I did get the images loaded from directly from the YouTube site. So that's kind of cool. So this is just static data right now. It's not dynamic. I have to make it dynamic similar to the app. None of these buttons really do anything. They just keep going back to this page. But I did get the login UI implemented. So it kind of looks how it's going to look. So it's going to look something like that. And then all this stuff is responsive. So, the website's never going to look amazing, guys, to be honest. It's never going to look amazing because I really don't like web development. I'm happy that I did web development in the past, like maybe like 3 to 6 months of it. Before I started iOS development, so I kind of remember how to work with Bootstrap, which got me to this level, and I'm happy with that. It was still a struggle learning how to implement it with Vapor, but it's coming along. I think it looks decent, So yeah, that's where I'm at. Things that slowed me down. I'm running everything on Vapor Cloud, which is awesome because it's built on top of AWS. The one bad thing is that this project is in a private GitHub repository, so you have to do some manual stuff with that, which kind of took a little bit of time from me. And then, just learning how to deploy it through there was something to learn. Also, I was still in the process of fully understanding relational databases with Fluent and Swift and Vapor. And what else slowed me down? Some of this UI, some of the UI from the actual app kind of slowed me down. So I was stuck on getting this down, and I was stuck on like the mentoring, how to go through all these and all that, because this takes a long time to actually implement. It's just tedious work. But yeah, I'm working on it, guys. Sorry about that. I was supposed to have a tutorial for you guys today, but I just decided to give you an update video. I haven't had time to do the tutorial, but tomorrow you do get the the entire app building process, the one that we've been working on, the coder meetup type app. So we're gonna be working on that tomorrow. I don't know what time quite yet. I think it's gonna be in the morning, but we'll see. And then I will give you guys a video by Tuesday. I promise that I will. I promise that I'm gonna give it to you, and I'm gonna try to step it up. I'm gonna try to make at least one thing a little bit nicer. If I could just make one thing at least a little bit nicer, then at least I gave you guys that, right? Oh, and then also one thing that I'm thinking about is doing a 12 days of Christmas type thing. Who was it? Brian Advent. He did like a 25 days of Christmas thing one time, which was really cool. He did 25 tutorials over, from December 1st to December 25th. So I'm going to do 12 days from the 12 days of Christmas when we hit that mark. And the new date that I'm aiming for to submit my app to the App Store is December 9th. December 9th, because that's 60 days after I released my iOS notifications course, and that means that I have the right to advertise it on any platform I choose. And so when I do release the app, you guys will have a course that you can sign up for, and it's only going to be starting off at $5 a month, with the option to choose the $10 a month, which is a gold membership. I'll go into the memberships a little bit later. It'll be in the app explaining everything, but yeah. All right, well, thanks for hanging in there with me. I know that it was kind of a lengthy explanation, giving you all my excuses of why I didn't come through and deliver what I said I was going to deliver. But, I'm trying, and I enjoyed myself. I'm not as stressed as I was before, which is kind of a good thing. And, I miss you guys. I'm going to get to your YouTube comments. Don't feel like I'm ignoring you. It's just been like, I left, and then now I have like a lot of stuff to catch back up on. So, and I like to go to the oldest comments first, and I try to answer every single one that I see, but YouTube kind of sucks at showing you which comment you need to respond to. But anyway, all right, guys, thanks for hanging in there. And, it's been your boy Kilo Loco. I'm trying to get this platform done for you guys, done for myself, done for everybody, so we can all go up to the next level. All right. So keep coding passionately. I'll catch you tomorrow for that live coding. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter, things like that. And yeah, let's do this.